Daddy didn't do his job, so now I have to fill in. These are the things that your dad should have taught you. Starting with the most basic thing that probably no dad taught us. Take care of yourself. I'm talking about your skin. I'm talking about what you eat. I'm talking about your health. I'm talking about going to the gym. I'm talking about your grooming. Literally, take care of yourself. This is something that, one, most dads didn't even do for themselves. So you have to understand, as a kid, you learn by example. If you didn't see your dad do it, it's hard for you to do it. But I'm proud to all of you that are watching this that do this stuff and found it on their own. Because that is incredibly impressive that you were able to make that decision for yourself and figure out that you needed to do this for yourself to increase your value, to make yourself feel better. Especially if you didn't have that as an example. That is mad impressive. Number two, talking about take care of yourself, shave your balls. I never had this conversation with my father, right? He didn't let me know. He didn't. I guarantee you your parents didn't let you know either. But yes, I'm not telling you to go completely squeaky clean, but I am telling you to trim it down. Hygienically, it keeps the sweat down, right? It avoids the moisture. It also looks aesthetically better. You look bigger, the whole nine. The point is, you have to learn how to trim your balls by yourself. And this is why we went on a mission. Back in 2018, we became partners of Manscaped to ensure every man knew how to properly shave their balls. I think mission accomplished. And today's your lucky day. Yo, Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend are coming up. These are the biggest sales of the year. Listen to this. The Perfect Package 4.0 is the best gift you can get for yourself or for anybody else. You've wanted Manscaped for the longest, or you want to look for a gift for that special someone, you don't know what to get him, this is your gift. This is the gift that everyone wants that most people aren't thinking about gifting, meaning that you're going to have that unique gift, especially to that somebody that you don't know what to get him, you want to get him something good, this is it. This is that one thing that every time they're shaving their balls, they're thanking you, right? Kind of. But the point is, it's a useful gift. It's a gift that's going to actually matter. Our Perfect Package 4.0 comes with our Lawnmower 4.0, our ball toner, our ball deodorant, and 2 free gifts, which is underwear and a dop kit. You're getting all of that for Black Friday and Cyber Monday at 25% off. This is the largest discount we have ever done with Manscaped, and I don't want you to miss it. If you guys want to check it out, that link will be down below. Lesson number 3. Competence leads to confidence. So many you young guys out there are dealing with lack of confidence. And no father out there was there to tell you, yo, become competent in something. So that's what I'm telling you. Once you become competent in something, you will notice how your confidence significantly increases. And this could be anything, right? If it's your business, become competent. Become the best you can possibly can. I want you to constantly work to beat out competition. Whether it's the gym, I want you to become stronger, leaner, better looking than everybody else. Whether that is athletics, I want you to be faster, jump higher, endure longer, have higher resistance rates. If it's school, I want you to study harder. I want it to become easy for you to get straight A's in tests. The point is, the more competent you become in whatever realm that you choose to pursue, the more confident you will feel. Number 4, it's never you versus you, right? Whoever made you believe that lie, lied to you. And your dad didn't tell you about this. But the world is a competitive place. We are still animals by nature. And especially men, it's me versus you. It's you versus that other person. It's you versus your friend. It's you versus your brother. It's you versus your own community. In the real world, you are competing against other men. It's never just you versus you. You versus you is a good thing to tell yourself every time you see yourself building yourself up. But you always have to know somebody else is out there trying to take your spot. You have to understand that we live in a competitive environment and you should not discourage it. You should not be angry about it. You should encourage it. You should breed off of it. You should take that energy and build yourself up even higher, have higher ambitions. Number 5, I need you to start friend zoning women, right? It's Daddy Jose telling you this stuff now, right? I need you to stop being a simp. I need you to flip the script, and I need you to be the one putting them in friend zone. And the easiest way to do that is with options. Again, your dad didn't tell you this stuff, so I have to tell you, right? You have to talk to multiple women. If you're not in a relationship, keep your options open. Talk, and I'm not telling you to hook up with all of them. I'm telling you to talk to different women. Once you're no longer desperate for women, that's when you're going to start putting them in friend zones because you're not desperate to hook up with this one or make this one your girlfriend. And now you get to pick from the crowd. And finally, number 6, emotional control is a superpower. Do not think that the most reactive person is the person that wins. This is something I had to learn on my own, right? The person that loses his control first almost always loses. You're not thinking straight. Your mind is cluttered. You're screaming. You're saying dumb things, right? If you can keep your emotional cool, if you can keep your cool in a state that's heated, not only does it allow you to think clearly, you can respond better. And if it does yield you having to use physical strength, your mind is not fogged with thinking, man, I want to F this guy up. But instead, you're thinking, how do you survive and how do you control the situation? And that level of clear thinking, that'll keep you winning.